Hej, välkommen. Come on in.
This is your cool Airbnb. It's so nice to meet you.
This is such a great Airbnb. It's amazing for the price, and it's right in Centrum. Wow, that's so cool.
Hvorfor har han på seg sko inne? Har han ikke lært at man ikke skal gå med sko inne? Herregud, han kan ikke maner.
Oh man, and this is such a nice couch. It's so soft. This is really cool, amazing.
Skoene dine?
Scooter dina.
Skoene dine! Skoene dine!
Okay, wait, you're talking about my shoes. Yo, my shoes. Oh my God, man, I love these shoes. They're from Colombia. They're waterproof. They got like this out dry technology. So you can walk in like the rain and the mud. You can get them real dirty and just, so gross, you know? And then you won't feel nothing on your feet. It's amazing. I mean, you know, what can I say? American made. Hey. What are you doing? Why are you...
Amerikanere som ikke kan norsk folkeskikk!